Oxygen is a vital element for the proper functioning of the human body. Adequate oxygen levels in the blood are essential for supporting various physiological processes. When oxygen levels drop below normal, a condition known as hypoxemia occurs, posing serious health risks. Recognizing the signs of low oxygen in the blood is crucial for early detection and intervention. Here are 10 key indicators to be aware of. 1. Shortness of breath. One of the most noticeable signs of low oxygen levels is shortness of breath. Individuals may find themselves struggling to breathe, even during routine activities or at rest. This occurs as the body attempts to compensate for the decreased oxygen supply. 2. Rapid breathing. A heightened respiratory rate is another red flag. If you find yourself breathing faster than usual, it may be a response to low oxygen levels. The body instinctively tries to increase the intake of oxygen to meet its demands. 3. Confusion and altered mental function. Inadequate oxygen to the brain can lead to cognitive impairment. Individuals may experience confusion, difficulty concentrating, memory issues, and changes in mental alertness. These cognitive changes are critical indicators that should not be ignored. 4. Cyanosis. A visible sign of low oxygen levels is cyanosis, a bluish discoloration of the skin and mucous membranes. This occurs when there is a significant reduction in oxygen saturation and can be observed in the lips, fingertips, and sometimes the skin. 5. Irregular heartbeat. Insufficient oxygen can impact the heart's rhythm, leading to palpitations or irregular heartbeats. Monitoring for any unusual heart activity is crucial, as it may be a manifestation of low oxygen levels affecting the cardiovascular system. 6. Chest pain. Low oxygen levels can cause chest pain or discomfort. While this symptom is not exclusive to hypoxemia and can have various causes, it should be taken seriously and investigated promptly. 7. Headaches. Lack of oxygen can result in headaches, which may be persistent, throbbing, or accompanied by other symptoms. Headaches associated with low oxygen levels can often be severe and should be assessed by a healthcare professional. 8. Fatigue. Excessive fatigue, even after sufficient rest, can be a sign of low oxygen levels. The body's inability to receive an adequate oxygen supply can lead to persistent tiredness and a lack of energy. 9. Dizziness or lightheadedness. Reduced oxygen levels can affect the balance center in the inner ear, causing dizziness or lightheadedness. These sensations may be more pronounced when standing or moving and should not be ignored. 10. Changes in nail and skin color. In addition to cyanosis, changes in the color of nails and skin can indicate low oxygen levels. Pale or grayish skin tones, particularly in areas with less blood flow, should be carefully observed. Being attuned to the signs of low oxygen in the blood is crucial for maintaining overall health. These indicators, ranging from respiratory symptoms to cognitive changes and skin discoloration, serve as important signals that warrant medical attention. If you or someone you know experiences these symptoms, seeking prompt medical evaluation is essential for a timely diagnosis and appropriate intervention. Recognizing the signs early can make a significant difference in managing and treating conditions associated with low oxygen levels, ultimately preserving the well-being of individuals at risk.